Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are enjoying your days and hope you all are having fun. So now last Friday I had brought this type of a combo. So again I'm bringing the same combo. But before I come to this combo, last time I had asked you all I think to hear the Mahalakshmi Stotram. Today I would suggest in the evening to buy a lotus if you can pick up some lotus, and if you have a conch shell, then in that conch shell, the shank which we say, in that shank put little water, and what you can do is, other than the water, you can, so in the, sorry, I had to put a pause because my pet had come. So in that shank you can put water, and you can put little bit of elaichi in that, and little kacha kapur, the camphor which we say, powder that little and put it in that, and leave it there till the Shri Suktam is being played. After the Shri Suktam is being played, what you can do is you can sprinkle this water around the whole house, and Mahalakshmi ji will bless the whole house with happiness, abundance, and everything that you desire. So let's see, I'll just pull out a card. Let's see what the cards are saying. Courage. So maybe today is a day where you will be courageous, you will handle everything strongly. But again, here if I see the elephant with the tusk up, so I feel you will soar higher and you will be successful. I also see the bird which is flying high. So overall, when I see this card, whatever you do today is going to be abundant, is going to be successful, and you're going to enjoy it. You're going to feel happy that you were able to handle everything beautifully. You will be happy that you were able to perfectly work towards your goal and get the best results. So let's see what is in this. As I said, like last time, I will just pull some card from the middle, and let me see what is the card that's come. Kalki Avatar. Okay, Kalki Avatar is basically a form of Vishnu, who was, who brought in a lot of good changes. So maybe today a lot of changes are going to happen. You're going to be strong, you're going to overcome anything, any obstacle that is stopping you. So this is the mantra which is given here. Kalki Kalehe Kalamalat Praptu Dharmavandya Krita Vatarah. But again, I have always said I don't believe in mantra chantings in this way. So maybe, as I said, do the Shri Suktam, offer some lotus today to the goddess, and hear the Shri Suktam. And I'm sure Mahalakshmi ji is going to bless you all. If you don't have a shank, actually I forgot to tell you all, if you don't have a shank, then in a small kalash, put water and use the same thing. Keep your camphor, put a pinch of camphor, and same way you can sprinkle the water around the house after you hear the Shri Suktam. Today the color has to be orange, I feel, so wear the color orange. And if possible today, if you can feed some poor person, specifically a woman, I think Mahalakshmi ji will bless you abundantly. Blessed be.